Meet your body's secret rock stars. Hey there. Ever wonder what keeps your body's cleanup crew running on all cylinders? Let's dive into this unsung hero duo, your liver and kidneys. Spoiler alert, they're tag team champs in keeping you thriving. Ever thought about who's backstage keeping your body concert running smoothly? Here's a little twist. It's your liver and kidneys front and center, working in harmony. Imagine this. Your liver is the ultimate multitasker, kind of like the way you juggle Netflix, texting, and munching on popcorn all at once. It's breaking down fats, proteins, and taking care of your night-out cocktails. Meanwhile, your kidneys are like those friends who help clean up after the party, filtering out the unwanted stuff, ensuring you feel fresh and ready for another day. Imagine waking up craving that weekend brunch. It's your liver prepping energy from your last meal, while your kidneys are the cleaning crew, clearing yesterday's party aftermath. But here's the kicker. Did you know they can back each other up when one's under pressure? Yep. If your liver is overloaded, your kidneys pitch in like loyal teammates. And vice versa. It's body squad goals at its finest. Let's talk teamwork. The liver is making bile, breaking down toxins, like your personal filter, keeping the unwelcome out. Meanwhile, kidneys are the final gatekeepers, flushing out anything that sneaks by. It's like the ultimate buddy cop duo. So next time you're tempted by that third slice of pizza or an extra margarita, just remember the dynamic duo working overtime to keep things balanced. Want to give them some love? Think balanced diet, hydration, and, yep, just a bit less of that late-night snacking. Did you know they double as storage units, holding on to vitamins and minerals until you need a boost? Like that go-to friend who always has your back with snacks. In short, your body's got this dream team hustling 24/7 behind the scenes, making sure you stay your awesome self. Share this if you've got friends who could use a peek into their own superhero squad. Now here's something to chew on. Neglect one and the other picks up the slack, running overtime. A lot like your group project partner who covers for you last minute. So here's the takeaway. Keep the duo happy with a healthy lifestyle. Minimal sugar, more greens. Stay hydrated and remember, they're putting on this epic show around the clock just for you. Know someone who needs to appreciate their internal rock stars a bit more? Share this and tag a friend who might need a nudge.